Welcome back, navigators. Today's video will equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to take control of your finances, make informed decisions, and achieve financial stability and freedom. So, have you ever wondered why some people seem to have it all figured out when it comes to managing their money while others struggle? Personal finance isn't just about counting pennies and saving for a rainy day. It's about understanding your income, your expenses, your savings, and how they all interact. It's about making informed decisions and planning for the future. But let's clear up some common misconceptions. Personal finance isn't an exclusive club for the wealthy or the financially savvy, nor is it a complex, inaccessible subject that requires a degree in finance. It is, in fact, a fundamental life skill that everyone needs, regardless of their income level or financial knowledge. Let's consider John, a hard-working individual who earns a decent salary. Yet at the end of every month he finds himself short of cash, with nothing saved for emergencies or future plans. His problem, a lack of financial management. John is not alone in this. Many of us are like John, living from paycheck to paycheck, with little to no control over our financial situation. This is where budgeting comes in. Budgeting is not, as some might think, a restrictive practice that limits your spending and takes the joy out of life. Quite the contrary. It's a tool that gives you control over your money, allowing you to spend wisely, save effectively, and work towards your financial goals. Mismanagement of money can lead to stress, debt, and a constant feeling of living on the edge. It can prevent you from reaching your dreams, whether that's buying a home, traveling the world, or retiring comfortably. But the good news is, everyone can learn to manage their money better, and it all starts with one crucial step: creating a budget that aligns with your goals. Imagine having a magical tool that could help you control your finances, achieve your dreams, and secure your future. Sounds too good to be true? Well, that's exactly what a well-planned budget can do. A budget, in essence, is a financial map guiding you towards your monetary goals. It's an organized way of managing your income and expenses to avoid unpleasant surprises. Now let's consider John. He was struggling with credit card debts and felt like he was sinking. But with a well-structured budget, he knows the precise destination of each one of his hard-earned dollars, since he allocated funds for paying off his debt, while still covering his living expenses and saving some for his future. Over time, acting with discipline, you will be witnessing a transformation in your financial health. Yes, a budget is not just a piece of paper or an app on your phone. It's a powerful tool that can change your life for the better. So, how do you create a budget that actually works for you? How do you make it align with your financial goals? Well, let's start with the basics. First, you need to understand your income and expenses. This is the foundation of any budget. Take a good, hard look at your finances. Where is your money coming from and where is it going? Are there any areas where you could potentially cut back? Start with your bank statements over the last few years and categorize income into salary, interest, rent, or other passive income, as well as expenses, into saving, house-related, rent, mortgage, insurance, repairs, and so on, utilities, transportation, lease payment, insurance, fuel, repairs, public, etc., food, clothing, health, and other, vacations, going out, education, presents, hobbies, and so on. For instance, consider Jane, a young professional. She earns a stable income and has a penchant for designer shoes, but can be anything else. When she examined her finances, she realized that her shoe obsession was eating into her savings. By understanding her income and expenses, she was able to identify this problem and take steps to correct it, and not necessarily eliminate anything that makes you happy and satisfied. Next, set realistic goals. Let's say you want to save up for a house. That's a fantastic goal, but it's also a big one. Break it down into smaller, more manageable chunks. Instead of trying to save a large sum all at once, aim to save a certain amount each month. Start small, maybe 3–5% of your income, and build gradually over time by increasing with a few percentage points every 3 months or so. This makes your goal feel more achievable and keeps you motivated. Take our friend Jane. Once she had identified her spending issue, she set a new goal: to cut her shoe budget in half. This was a realistic goal that still allowed her to indulge in her passion, but in a more financially responsible way. Finally, track your progress. Keep an eye on how you're doing. Are you meeting your monthly savings goal? If not, why not? If you are, great job. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may seem. Jane started to keep a budget diary, noting down every expense. She found that this not only helped her stay on track, but also gave her a sense of accomplishment when she saw her savings grow. Remember, a budget is not a prison, it is a roadmap that leads you to your financial goals. Embrace it and enjoy the journey to financial freedom. That's all for today. Until next time, take good care of your finances, navigators, and don't forget to subscribe and share if you found any value.